So, as you can probably tell from the title of the video, today I'm going to be trying a teeth whitening kit because I see ads for teeth whitening kits all over Instagram every single day. I've only ever used strips, and I'm curious if these kits actually work. I got this one on Amazon. It's by MySmile. It was like 20 bucks, which I was kind of surprised by because I feel like strips can get pretty expensive, and I was expecting the kits to be super expensive. Like when you open it up, there's the 3 syringes, there's the piece, there's the mouth guard, there's these things. And in the instructions, it says that you use 0.5 milliliters of a syringe, and in each syringe, there's 3 milliliters. So that's a lot of uses, which is like pretty cool. Also in the kit, you get this little like envelope looking thing. It looks like this. And in there's like the instructions, but there's also this like teeth scale. It goes from like 1 to 13. You know, I definitely don't think I'm a 13. I'd probably say that I'm about like a 4. The lighting's like pretty good right now, so my teeth look white. I'll insert a clip of like a little bit more like real-time light. But like my teeth are definitely not like yellow, I hope. So one thing about this kit is like it says that you should see results after 1 use. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do like a 1-use test, but to be fair, I'll keep using it for a week, and then if you have any questions or if you want any updates, like leave me a comment and I'll let you guys know. There are 6 steps in the instructions, and it says you can do steps 2 to 5 daily for 7 days until desired results are achieved. But it does say that after whitening for 7 days consecutively, we recommend waiting 4 to 6 weeks before whitening your teeth again. Step 1 is to take the batteries out of the LED light, remove plastic, and reinsert batteries to turn it on. So here's the little LED thing. So open it. Okay, these are really cool looking batteries. Excuse me, come in. So we did that. Attach mouth tray to LED light. This looks like a mouth guard, and it's like bringing me back to sports. Apply 0.5 milliliter of MySmile whitening gel to the top and also the bottom of the tray. Apply to the face of the tray. Okay, so I would say that like this part's considered the face, so you don't want to apply it down here. You want to apply it like on here. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, excuse me, I'm so sorry. Okay, so if it says to do 0.5 milliliter on the top and bottom, that's 1 milliliter, math. And since there are 9 milliliters in these syringes, I should get 9 uses out of this. So, all right. Before I go on to the mouth, I'm just gonna read the rest of the instructions just in case there's something later that they tell me not to do and I do it accidentally. Insert the light with tray in your mouth. Let's enjoy whitening process. Okay, but then after that, the next step is the LED light will automatically turn off. It will beep in 10-minute intervals for your convenience. And then the last step, rinse your mouth and the mouth tray. Avoid eating or drinking staining foods and beverages for 1 hour. Okay. I'm also gonna take off my lipstick because why would I leave it on? Ew. So I'm gonna take my little syringe. I'm gonna do this facing you guys. Blocked off. Oh, are these? Oh my God, wait. Oh, wait. I'm so confused. Okay, so I was just like pushing it with this top on, but there's no like opening in it, and it doesn't say to take the top off, but I'm gonna take the top off and go for these little pieces, I think. It doesn't give any instructions about these guys, but this has a hole at the end, so I think that this makes more sense, right? Oh yeah, that went so much better. Okay, so that right there is 0.5. Just gonna spread it out so it's a little more even so I can get all of them teeth. And then do the same thing on the bottom, another 0.5 mil. That's what the thing looks like with all of the juices. Okay, now that we got her nice and juicy, insert the light with tray in your mouth. Let's enjoy the whitening process. It will beep in 10-minute intervals for your convenience. But it doesn't say how long to do it for. Do I do it, so I do it for 10 minutes? Here goes nothing. Oh God, ew. Ew. Oh, I'm sorry, that's disgusting. I'm just gonna brush my teeth because it tastes pretty nice. You know what, it actually tastes exactly like the strips do. It's really hard to put on toothpaste with one hand, but, okay. I'm gonna brush my teeth and then we'll talk about it. So it's been 10 minutes. I got a little confused at the 10-minute mark because, so the little envelope packaging says that it's gonna beep in 10-minute intervals for your convenience. At the 10-minute mark, it beeped and the light turned off. So then I went looking on their website and their website said it's like a 15-minute treatment. So I got a little confused. I mean, once the light's off, it's not doing anything, I guess. So I just stopped after the 10 minutes. If we talk about like the actual experience and like how it felt, the goop tasted exactly like how strips taste, which, I mean, it makes sense. What was nice about like the mouth guard is that it has like a little thing there where you can put your tongue. 'Cause you know how like sometimes when like you put like a mouth guard and you're at like the dentist or you're playing sports and like you never know what to do with your tongue. Like there's just like a little thing there for your tongue. So it makes you taste it not as much, but you definitely can taste it. And I would say there's not like a tingling, but you definitely like feel it. Like it's weird. It doesn't hurt and it's not like uncomfortable, but you're definitely aware that there's some like magic happening to your teeth. Like I said before, this is like an express treatment. It's supposed to like remove like coffee stains, tea stains, wine, all of that stuff. And it does say that you're supposed to see visible results in one treatment. So here's what my teeth look like now. I see a difference. And on yourself, I feel like you definitely like notice more things. So to me, I see a difference, but you'll let me know if you see a difference or if it just looks the same. I feel like the mouth guard didn't get like some of these teeth further back here. So like I feel like you can see a difference from this tooth to like the next. There's also these like white spots on a few of my teeth now that weren't there before. Should I be worried? Is that a calcium thing? Is that I got some extra goop there? Can someone let me know? So if we're going back to the little scale now, if I started at like a 4, I would say I'm at like a 3 now. I don't know, maybe I started at a 3 and now I'm at like 2.5. But like 10 minutes for this is not bad at all. And strips you have to wear so much longer. And I kind of feel like you get the same results from this as you do from strips. I'll keep using it. Let's see if my teeth get like really, really white. Yeah. I mean, they look so white right now, but that's because this lighting is just so nice for teeth. Like, look at that. For 20 bucks, I'm kind of a fan. I was ready to rip on it too. Let me know in the comments if you guys like do teeth whitening, if you like kits, if you like strips. You know, I'm curious, and like we all should have the white teeth that we deserve, you know? So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, you should give it a thumbs up too, because thanks. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one.